right here you see me taking the paste out of the little container. And I'm going to mix it with white paint. So this paint, this isn't any special paint. Little cheap paint I got from, I think, Michael's. And the paste I got from Amazon, but you can find it at any art supply store. I'll link it down below. But no, I got this paint from Hobby Lobby, not Michael's. But yeah, you see me here struggling because the little paper thing wouldn't come off so I can squeeze it out the tube. So I was just like, whatever. Yeah, I tried to keep my gloves on, but yeah, I like to work with my hands. So I'm just going to mix the white paint with the paste. And this is going to be my first layer. So you see me doing that here. And I didn't put this on any particular way because I wasn't sure how I was going to do it. If you end up doing it, you want it to look better than what I did, I would say try to put it on better. But I was just trying to get it on there. This vase I actually got from a antique store. That's like around the corner for me. It wasn't expensive. I think it was like $23. And I wanted something because I wanted to do something to mimic the CB2 vase. I'll put a picture here. So this is what I wanted to mimic, and this kind of mimics it, not to the T, but I want to see if I can do something close to that, and I think it came out close to it. So I'm just making sure I turn it around. Now you can't put too much of this on. I ain't gonna say too much of it. Like if you don't cover it all in the first try, it's cool because you might want to let it dry and then put some more on there, because the more you try to put it on there to cover certain areas wet, it'll just keep getting like not covered. So, but I'm trying to do my best and keep turning it. I'm actually gonna do two vases. The other one I've had for a while, so you'll see that. But I'm gonna just be quiet and let y'all enjoy. So here I've started my second vase, and you just see me using the remaining product that's on my hands. I like to do this. Even when I paint, I hate waste product. So this vase I've actually had for a while, like at least 4 years. I've had it. I got this from the at-home store. Yeah, and I just wanted to see if I can make a new one. I was actually gonna throw this away. I have a lot of vases, and I was like, you know what? Let's just see what we can do. I think I've actually put this on cleaner for this one that I did the other one, but it's cool because I was like trying to make up my mind of what I really wanted to do. So once again, I'm rambling. I'm gonna let y'all just watch and chill, vibe to the music, y'all. Now do me a favor, like the video, please, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Share the video. Tell your people. Tell your people. Show your girl some love. Okay, so right now I am taking something. What is this? What is this called again? I'm looking for it. Pumice coarse gel, and I'm using it, and I'm gonna mix it with the white paint. So I'm mixing this with the white paint because without it, it will dry like a gray color, like concrete. So I didn't want that. So the CB2 vase doesn't look like it have this on it, but I wanted to add my own little twist. And I'm going to try to give y'all a close-up, but I'm also going to show y'all the finishing look so y'all can see it. Disclaimer, if you do add the pumice gel, or even if you don't, if you see how, I don't know if you can really tell, but yeah, even if you don't, I would say try to sand this. I didn't sand it, one, because I didn't have any sanding paper, and I didn't feel like going to Home Depot, and yeah, I just didn't care. So, but yeah, to make it smoother, I would say you might want to sand this before you add the coarse gel, or even after you add the, even if you don't add the coarse gel after it dries and everything. But I was fine with it. So I actually put this on both of the bases, and just doing the same step, trying to make sure it's all over and make sure that I have it mixed with enough paint. And I'm also using this as a filler. So any spots that I didn't get with the first coat, this will cover it. And guys, stay tuned so y'all can see the finishing look. So this is the finished look. I don't mind this, like how rough it looks. I actually did not want it to be perfect. The CB2 one isn't perfect as well, but of course theirs look better. And the little concrete, little whatever detailing, that is the pumice coarse gel. So this is the first one. If you've seen my YouTube shorts, you've seen this with this stand. That's going to be my next video showing how I made this entryway table. So I got these from Hobby Lobby, and let me show y'all the other one, which is in my bathroom. So this is the other one. This is, actually I think I'm gonna put this in my master bathroom. I want to show y'all, see, this is a spot, I think I had some extra that wasn't mixed with paint. And this is the gray color I said it would turn out. It looks more gray on camera than it does in person, but it doesn't even matter because this is going in my master bathroom. Don't nobody be in there. So yeah.